In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge add-on profiles to an existing baseline. Beginning from the main menu screen, we're going to move over to the Global Baselines page. Once you're here, you're going to want to change the endpoint profile view to the add-on profile that you're looking to add. We're going to start off with Google Chrome. Once that's popped up, we're going to go ahead and hit Create New Global Baseline. This will give you an opportunity to name your new global baseline as well as add a description if you'd like. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and hit Create New Global Baseline, and this will bring up the baseline primer settings. These are the settings that are known to potentially cause your end users the most pain. So please go through these carefully as you make your selections. This will assist Senteon's learning mode to determine what your end users can or cannot handle. If you'd like to make a change, please hit the Modify button, and then you are able to check mark whichever settings you would like to leave unmanaged. For example, enable saving passwords to the password manager. If we keep this hardened, we will prevent users from saving passwords directly to the Google Chrome browser. So if you'd like to unmanage this setting, simply check mark and hit unmanage. From here, if you're ready and happy with the selections you made, you can hit next. This will bring up the baseline primer question settings, and then below it'll have the rest of the Google Chrome settings. These are not as disruptive as the baseline primers, but go ahead and take a look through these and make your selections as you'd like. Once you're ready, you can hit Create Complete Global Baseline Creation, and then hit OK. And then you can see it has populated here in your global baselines. Now we're going to go over and do Microsoft Edge. It's a very similar process. We can hit Create New Global Baseline, and we're going to name this one Edge, and then hit Create New Global Baseline. It will bring up the baseline primers again. If you have any desire to change, again, you can go ahead and hit Modify, select whichever settings you'd like to unmanage. If you'd like to change from the CIS best practice recommendations, then you can go ahead and hit Next. And again, you will see the baseline primer questions up at the top and the rest of the Microsoft Edge settings that we will be managing below. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and hit Create Complete Global Baseline Creation. Hit OK. And now I will show you how to attach them to an existing tenant baseline. We will go to Tenants. We're going to move into a specific tenant, and then we're going to move over to the Baselines tab. From here, you can see the global baselines that are already attached. This one does not have any global baseline add-on profiles currently. So then we're going to hit the drop-down arrow and hit Manage Add-on Baselines. From here, you can select Google Chrome and or Microsoft Edge, and there will be a drop-down menu if you have multiple global baselines. Select the ones that you'd like to add, and then go ahead and hit Simple Update. You could do a baseline update, which would go through a mini learning mode again, but we've found that there really shouldn't be any disruption. So you're good to go ahead and hit simple update. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and hit next. And then you can see the changes that you will be adding to each, the additional settings that you'll be adding to the baseline. If you're satisfied, you can go ahead and hit complete attachment changes and then hit OK. And now you can see within your tenant level baseline that the global add-on baselines of Chrome and Edge have been added. Give this about 20 to 30 minutes to update, and then you will be good to go. Thanks.